So yeah, I'm going to document everything that I do on this new small thing that I bought. Okay, it's Raspberry Pi 3 3B. Oh yeah, let's start that. Bought from Element Sporting, I guess. I got it as a gift for my birthday. So yeah, here I am going to document everything about what I am going to do with this small thing. It is quite small. Let's use right. So to begin with, Raspberry Pi. Okay, some added advantage to the Raspberry Pi 3B is with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth inbuilt, so you don't need anything else to connect. Actually speaking, but here I'm going to do in almost everything, like using this LAN cable. LAN cable will be there for most of the models. So yeah, I'm just let me introduce to the Raspberry Pi as what all are in it. You have a mini computer in your hand, actually, if you have one Raspberry Pi. So it has RAM, it has processor, it has everything that is required. It just doesn't have a hard disk, so I'll come to those later. So let's see what all are in this module. It has 4 USB connectors, one LAN cable connector, and turn on the light. So 4 USB 2.0, I guess, and LAN cable connector, and one aux, an HDMI port, and GPIO. This is why we use it, because we need to implement electronic circuits with Raspberry Pi, and we'll write codes in Python and work it out in these pins. Yeah, you can do a lot more things like image processing and such things. You can see, if you second, let me try to focus here. Yeah, it's written camera over there. You can connect camera, and you can get camera especially made for Raspberry Pi. You can connect it here, and also a display can be connected here. It's touch screen display and such things you will get online to buy. And yeah, here is the power pin, and here we'll be connecting 2 ampere power. Okay, now that's it for this Raspberry Pi basics. Like, we can get started now. Missed about this one. Here we'll have an SD card slot. I told you it doesn't have an hard disk, and yeah, SD card will be our hard disk. So yeah, to start with, we need quite a lot of items. No, lot. If you have a PC at home, yeah, you have half the things worked out. You need a screen. Actually, you don't require a screen. Just for demonstration, I need. After this, you will understand why you don't need a screen actually, and how we can do it in just a laptop. But definitely for purpose of, like, I just don't know much about Raspberry Pi, and I'm just starting, so I'll use a screen. And definitely we need this thing, one memory card, and this actually took me 2 months. You won't believe me that, because I bought 2 from the Flipkart. It was fake. I returned. I bought another 2. That also was fake. One of the fake is still with me. I couldn't return this. I got little busy in between. And how you can understand it is fake? See, the texture only can understand. Okay, if you don't understand by the texture, you will understand when it stops. Okay, necessary. I will move on. So yeah, bought one SanDisk with SD adapter. So yeah, that must be the, or or any memory card adapter so that you can program it from the PC or laptop. And yeah, if you are using a screen, you might need a VGA to HDMI adapter, as most of the PCs come with only VGA. If you have an HDMI, this doesn't have, so yeah, you might only need a HDMI cable. But since I need only since I have only a VGA adapter on the screen, I need this HDMI to VGA adapter. Here it is female part and female part of the VGA. Or yeah, you can get one of these HDMI to directly VGA cable. So this one is female, so you can directly plug into the PC. And yeah, that's it for the screen. And then we must need this one. This is a power supply. Any mobile charger will be fine, but yeah, one little specification, 2 ampere for minimum. And that little specification comes from this guide that they send you along. I started to read, and they have in the instructions given only 2 ampere must be used. Yeah, you can see here in the middle, warning minimum current of 2 ampere. So yeah, get a charger that will anyway provide just 2 ampere output. It will be written on either this side of the charger or sides. This is turbo charger from the Motorola, and it is pretty fine. And yeah, if possible, get a mouse. Yeah, these all things happen if you are using Raspberry Pi as a computer. Like, you can plug in mouse, keyboard, everything, and use it as a computer. I just don't have a USB keyboard right now. The keyboard that I have for my PC is the other one, not the USB type. So yeah, pretty much that, and you need definitely a laptop. And yeah, sir, that's my laptop, and that's it, I guess. There's software that you require, and this is the cover. So, right. Software that you require, I'll put it on the link. Yeah, I'll start having screen recorder running right now so that you can see more clear on what's happening in the laptop. Okay, first thing is that you have to use this SD card with your memory card. You need to download NOOBS. It will be there in the Raspberry Pi site. Okay, that I'll add in screen recorder. 1 second. Yeah, the screen recorder is turned on. Screen recorder that I use is A Power Soft screen recorder. It's free. So if anyone wants to start a video blogging, you can start using that. So yeah. Now, yeah, um, yeah, to get NOOBS. So go to raspberrypi.org. Then it is slow. Okay. Now scroll down to find getting started with Pi. So yeah, here you can actually get everything what you require, and I will be just doing it practically and showing you. That's it. So click on what you will need. You need a Raspberry Pi SD card, monitor with cable, USB, keyboard, mouse, which this one I don't have, power supply, headphone, speakers, Ethernet cable. That's fine. Rasbian installed via NOOBS. So what do you mean by install via NOOBS? So NOOBS is only new out of the box software which is just to install an OS in Raspberry Pi. You just copy. Okay, you can. I'll show you how to do. Download NOOBS using NOOBS is the easier way to install Raspberry Pi in SD card. To get hold of copy of NOOBS, yeah, set this download. Okay, going there. Okay, now Rasbian also you can download. You can download NOOBS. I just downloaded NOOBS, and yeah, offline and network install only two versions. I don't know how to do this one. Maybe I'll learn later. So yeah, download this one, download zip. That's it. Just get it downloaded. Now Rasbian OS will be, I have downloaded it. Extra Raspberry Pi. Okay, OS. Okay, this is a zip file that you download. How much? It's about 1.6 GB. Yeah, download that. After that, just unzip that. We get all this. Copy everything in this folder. Copy that. You just plug in this SD card. Put into the SD thing. I actually have installed. Default settings will be fine, and after that you will get this. So I'm copying those files into this SD card. Okay, fine. Now that's done. After this you just eject that and boot it. Okay, you can eject the way how you know. Okay, yeah, that's done. And now to the real world, we'll come take this SD card out. Yeah, in SD card, this switch must be this switch must be on the top. If it is on the bottom, it will be write protected. You can't write anything. You can see here. Okay, that's common for every SD cards. So yeah, carry on with plugging it in. So how to plug it in? Definitely this way. Okay, this way you have to plug it in. Now that part is done. So I'll just plug in everything. This one, your power supply, and we'll just see what it boots to. Yeah, of course I'm going to plug in my mouse also. I think mouse will be enough for this step. Okay, so yeah, everything is plugged in now. You can just turn off the light. Okay, as we try with this mouse and HDMI and the power supply of 2 ampere. Don't forget about that. They are saying below 2 ampere can make a damage or something. So yeah, I'm just turning on. You can see that red light is a power button and the other one just shows how it is booting. So this will be the booting screen. Now they have two OSs. I don't know about the second one. Only Cody and determining distribution. I don't know. Yeah, what by default is Rasbian. Just tick that, click install, and yeah, that will do everything required. Now you understood it's not so hard. Anyone can do it. It's just simple. As you know, maybe some 12th standard, 10th standard can do it very pretty easily. So yeah, get one of these. Get started. I bought it from Elements 14. So yeah, I'll pause till it is done. Sorry, I just missed one OK button while the different after doing that moves. You just have to press one OK and it will boot to Raspberry Pi, Rasbian OS. Okay, welcome to Raspberry Pi. You don't have a password, so you can just skip next. You can skip that, skip that, and you have your Raspberry Pi desktop here. You can just, if you want, you can connect a keyboard and use it like an Ubuntu system, kind of like an Ubuntu system. So yeah, that's it. Now, for your knowledge, you can shut down here. Shut down. Okay, after shutdown, the yellow light must go off. Okay, that's when you know that every processing is have come to an end. That yellow light must go off. You can just turn off, and I'll show you some other things which you have to do.